This is the TRAX G Max Ultra electric scooter. It came in the box like this, so as you open it, it has the styrofoams to protect the scooter. So those are your parts. This is already partially installed, so all you need to do is to attach the handle, put in a couple of screws to lock it in. It also came in with the screws and the screwdriver that you use to lock it in. It's pretty fast. You don't have to wonder what to do. It's easy. See, just those two black screws you have to put in to lock in the handle. You just have to lock it in on both sides. So you get 4 screws, and you also get the 4 mm Allen wrench, and you also get the power adapter and the tire pump extender. So that's what you get. And then see, that's how fast it is to set it up. And it can go at a top speed of 20 miles per hour. And you can, per charge, you can go 40 to 45 miles if it's fully charged. And you can use it if you're up to 264 pounds can use it. And the battery type for this is the 36 volts battery, and the charger is a DC 42 volts 3.0 amps. And for a full-time charging, it's about 6 hours, and the motor power is 500 watts. So that's basically your view of the front, of the top of the scooter. That's for if you need to lock it in, you can do that, so it won't get stolen. So you will just have to set it up yourself. That was the anti-theft device. So it's really sturdy. So this is the manual that came with it. So you'll be able to read through, you know, how you unpack the tips, the warning messages. You know, just a quick one for you, and then you get to know your scooter, so you know the functions and how to assemble it, the charging, and again the console functions. There's also the anti-theft device using and writing tips for you. So that all comes with the purchase. And so with the initial use, you just make sure that you read the instructions. Once you're ready, you just push yourself. So that's actually like one of the controls that you will use. So just start pushing yourself, and then once you push yourself, you have that control to start moving. See, that's how easy it is. Just your initial balancing, and it's very easy. There's an accelerator on your right thumb area, so the throttle. And I also tried it. It was easy. Yeah, it goes fast too. So you will have the display. There's a switch button there. There's a headlight too if it's nighttime, and there's a side reflector. There's a kickstand. See, you just kick yourself out to go, and then there's an accelerator that will help you. And this is showing you how to tuck it in. So if you need to put it away, that's how you do it. Very simple, just a couple of steps, and you can carry it like that. And then this is how you untuck it.